good morning, and I want to welcome everybody here today. We're very fortunate today that we have Miss Faye Beaulieu, Ph.D., or Dr. Faye Beaulieu, and Faye is the Senior VP of Community Investment at United Way of Tarrant County. And are you still located, is your office still in Northeast?
Actually, I'm in the downtown office in Fort Worth. Yes,
Okay.
but I still work out here quite often.
This is your main area. I wanted you to talk a little bit today about the VITA program, which is Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. And what does VITA stand for, and what services do they provide for the community?
Thank you, Gary. I appreciate the opportunity to talk about what's been a very important service for Tarrant County. And you've identified what the acronym really means, and that's Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. What VITA does is provide a vehicle whereby families whose household income, that is, all of the breadwinners in that family together, is $60,000 or less, where they can get their tax returns prepared and filed at no cost to them by IRS certified volunteers who have been through training and have proved via testing that they are ready to perform prepared tax returns at that level.
Wow. Well, where can we locate the VITA contact information?
There are a couple of really good ways to find that. 211, which is our information and referral vehicle here in Tarrant County, actually through the state and actually through the nation. Just dial those three numbers, 211, and you will get a call specialist who can help you find the VITA site that's closest to your home, so that you can contact them and find out whether they're taking appointments or walk-ins or how that they can serve you. You can also go to the United Way of Tarrant County website, and on the home page there's a block that says VITA tax information. That will give you the locations and also tell you what you need to bring in order to get your taxes prepared.
Okay, well that was really kind of my next question. What steps does someone need to take to get tax preparation assistance?
Well, because the VITA centers in Tarrant County are independent, each one is separate, they are likely to offer different kinds of ways for you to get your taxes done. There's a virtual option where it's all done online. There's a drop-off option where you can bring your paperwork by and the volunteers will process, and then you come back and sign. Or some of them are doing open face-to-face tax preparation. So that's why you need to call ahead and find out what kind of services are being offered at what tax center, so that you can choose the vehicle that most suits your needs.
Okay. Can you summarize the items that they may need to take with them for their appointment?
I'd be happy to. First and foremost, if you're filing jointly, please be sure that you bring your spouse or significant other, because they're going to need to sign that tax return. And if you don't have both of you there, then you're just going to have to come back or make some kind of arrangement.
Okay.
But if you've taken care of that, or you're filing by yourself, there's a list, and that checklist is on the United Way website under items to bring. But it starts with a photo ID. You need to be able to show who you are so that they have a match. From there, you need to bring a copy of the Social Security card or the I-10, the individual taxpayer identification number, for everyone in the house that you're going to be covering. Then you need to bring all your W-2s and include any 1099s that are relevant.
Okay.
Also, if you have been paid in cash for some of the work that you have done for whatever your occupation includes, then you'll want to bring whatever records you have of those cash payments, so that you get full credit for the income you've earned and the taxes that you need to pay on it. That's the basic list. There are some other items you'd want to include, like your health documentation, any proof of a stimulus letter you've gotten or a child tax credit letter that you've gotten.
And there's no cost.
Oh, no,
No
this is
cost to
no cost to the client.
the client. They it seems like a pretty simple, efficient way to get your taxes done and get some help that's professional. So, do you have any other information about VITA that you'd like to give us this morning?
Well, there are a couple of things I would like to mention quickly. One, VITA is so much more than just getting the taxes done, because the clients have the opportunity to self-refer if they would like to do budgeting or financial literacy classes, or if they would like to get into a program that could really help them advance in their career. We work with a couple of organizations, Pathfinders and the Women's Center of Tarrant County, to make these services available. And again, these services are at no cost to the clients. So I just want to make sure they're aware of that. And also, we are looking to grow and expand this program so that more people can have access to the services closer to their home in Tarrant County, making it ever easier for them to get this done.
So we're in the middle of tax season, as they call it.
Yes.
I have a number of friends that are financial planners or they're CPAs, and so don't try to call them for a luncheon or something between the 1st of January and April 15th. Right. It is VITA an organization that's there year-round?
Yes, we do have some sites that are year-round, those super sites that will do taxes, because people can extend and file even through October 15th.
Well, then you mentioned help with budgeting and things like that. So
we're also interested in recruiting volunteers. We always need people to help us in the tax sites and people to go through and certify and learn how to prepare tax returns. So.
Well, we appreciate you being with us this morning.
Thank you.
And thank you so much.
I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you.